It's a big day and a proud day every time a place hosts an international game. And for Raipur, it is one. 25th centre to host a T20 international. It's a wonderful facility here in the heart of Chhattisgarh, one of the newly formed states in India. In fact, celebrated its 23rd birthday on 1st November. The 4th T20 international. Already a bit of swing and a big swing. Finds the gap this time, finally, with a flourish and a four. The last ball of the previous. Extra bounce. By signal, that really took off. Driven down the ground and that will find the gap. Beat the man at mid-on. Lovely look. Some of the things in T20 have to be really loved. Just think of
big difference.
Aerial, and we'll find the boundary too. Again drifting down the leg side, paying the price. Third boundary of the over.
Yeah, too full again.
The standout bowler from the last game.
Do this job.
Cut away. Rare poor delivery from Jason.
Brilliant stuff. It's a very good economy rate of less than 7. Match of this. Boundary it is. Just a little bit of room outside off stump. Oh, that's a gift. That's an absolute gift. And he grabs that opportunity with both. Aaron Hardy goes downtown. One bounce and into the fence. Right given and right. Look at Hardy. Good hard length there. Goes hard length. It's up in the air and it should be taken. And it is. Ben McDermott, the fielder. And that'll be.
Yes, great.
A lot more protection now. End of the part.
Oh, yeah, like it.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, nice, mate.
Good comeback for Chris Green here. Goes aerial, there's a fielder there, and he makes no mistake. It's the debutant, Chris Green. Very good catch, running to his right. And Surya Kumar Yadav it is. On strike. Open his account with a single.
Oh, is it out? Looks like it's an outside Nick. And what a move this has been from the skipper. One of the most on anywhere. Pulled away. Rinku Singh with a positive shot.
The ball.
Lovely looking drive.
Cautious with his first international wicket.
Pulled away. This is the problem area. Every now and then he.
There's 2 balls.
Oh, switch it. The switch hit and it's gone a long way.
That's gone absolute.
And gets the best
Oh, nice bowling, mate.
out of a player.
Next shot, eh?
Beautiful shot. Magnificent. Holding on to that shape and going downtown for a boundary. Oh, that sounded so crisp. And that is humongous. Sangha. Beautifully placed. Exactly where the gaps are.
That's a beautiful cricket shot.
Outside edge and taken this time. Big wicket this. Ruturaj Gaikwad was looking dangerous, was set. Trying to go inside.
How good is Tanveer Sangha when he gets it right? Just look at those.
That is big. This time it's Jitesh Sharma. That's how he bats. That's long as well. That is high and that is long. Second 6 of the over. Better length. Better length.
In the gap. Powered away for 4. Make it 13, 6 to finish the over. Top edge. Falls safely and trickles away for 4. Brilliant delivery. Just tailing. Oh, that's been hit so hard. No one stood a chance. Jitesh Sharma. Full toss. A man underneath it, and he takes it with a bit of a juggle. Travis trying to in the air taken. So the second wicket in the over. Ben Dorcius. What a delivery. Immediately that finger was up, and J.R. Badal.
Pitching in line, impact in line, wickets umpire spot.
Another good Yorker. Another Yorker tailing towards the... Good throw from the deep. And it's been...
He's the big wicket for mine for India tonight. If he gets going for Australia, that'll take a lot of pressure off the...
This head. A straight away hint of shape. Front's first delivery. That's good bowling. Very tight. In the air, but in the gap. That's a nice looking shot to finish the over. Gets a boundary. Oh. That was a fuller delivery. Didn't time it as well as he would have liked to. He's got enough bat on it to find the bunches off. Ooh. That swung after it. Nicely played. It's in the gap and will find the boundary. Full toss and dispatched. And got what it deserved, that delivery. But also the World Cup. Oh, that's a good head. It's really, really good head down the ground. Looking to find some swing. That's a better delivery. Back up. That's beautifully timed. There's a fielder there. All he will do is stand there. Oh, too full. Got enough bat on that. One bounce and into. Another boundary. Massive over. Huge this one. Gets a wicket. Very first delivery of his spell. We're very disappointed with that shot, Josh Philippe. But he's...
When your team's off to you can understand the umpire giving it not out as this goes straight up in the air.
What a big moment. What a huge moment. Akshar Patel brought into the attack. Aaron Hardy opened in the previous game and go up. Another good delivery. Go straight. Go straight. That's the way to go. Against someone like Ravi Bishnoi.
Rates already.
Oh, another man trying to swipe against the turn. Cross it against the... Tim David. Tim David.
It's pulled it. Long and high for a maximum.
Harder.
I think that's where you ask a question.
Stumps this time. Number 3 for Akshar. He gets his man. Ooh, turn and bounce.
Powerful. Through mid-wicket, one bounce into the fence. On. What a shot. What a shot. I thought that was a good ball.
Ooh, how close was that to the stumps?
Powerful. Powerful once again. This time, match shot.
Ishan Kishan got the ball in front of the stumps, up in the air, should be taken. And it is. Wicket that India needed. Big confidence booster for Deep. Very good shot, that one. Ramps it almost over the keeper's head. Yashasvi Jaiswal takes that, not the easiest of
Deflection from
catches.
outside.
Went fast and flat to him. Smashes it over mid-wicket. Good start from wicket for Avesh Khan. Dwashes castled. The idea. Very well bowled. Just 7 from that offside. He's found the gap. I'll go all the way. 4 runs.
Yeah, or condition.
Sweeps it and sweeps it well into the stands. Last ball. Full toss. And hits it straight to the fielder.